problem says how many grams of 2.5% weight-to-weight hydrocortisone cream should be mixed with 360 grams of 0.25% weight-to-weight cream to make a 1% weight-to-weight hydrocortisone cream. Okay, similar to our other alligation alternate examples, we can set up our grid here to help us work out this problem. And it says that we're to make a 1% cream, so that's our target concentration. Also says that looks like we'll be using a 2.5% cream and a 0.25% cream to make this resulting 1% hydrocortisone cream. So that's, let's see, so we'll have 2.5%, and then 0.25%. We'll be working with that. And one thing that's unique, somewhat unique compared to the other examples, that here it says 360 grams of this 0.25% cream. So one of the initial components that's going to make our product here has a fixed amount. So this, let's see, looks like the 0.25% has, we need to work with exactly 360 grams of this. Okay, so we need to keep that in mind as we do our work here. Okay, so let's do our subtraction. 2.5 minus 1, that's 1.5. And 1 minus the 0.25, that's, let's see, that's going to be 0.75. Okay, so now we know the ratio between the 2.5% cream and the 0.25% cream, the ratio that's needed to end up with a 1% strength. So that's going to be 0.75 to 1.5. We can put it in the form of a fraction, and we can really do this like we're going to solve a proportion. Here it says that this 1.5 parts here corresponds to the 0.25% strength, the 0.25% concentration, which has a fixed amount of 360 grams. So I'm going to put 360 grams down here. But the question is, well, how much of the 2.5% cream are we going to need to mix with this 360 grams of the 0.25%? So we don't know what that is yet, so I'm just going to put X here. Well, we do our basic algebra, solve your proportion. We should get X equals 180 grams. And that's 180 grams, let's make it explicit here, of the 2.5% cream. Okay, and so again, if we mix 180 grams of the 2.5% cream with 360 grams of 0.25% cream, we will get a resulting product with a percent strength of 1%. Okay, so this is basically our final answer here.